Okay. 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 So hi and welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. So basically, in this online training program, you learn all of the things. Okay. So you learn all of the things from beginners to advanced level on remote sensing analysis in Google Earth Engine platform. So if you have no knowledge about the JavaScript programming or Python programming or other types of programming language, so there is no worry for this, because I will teach you all of the programming language which you want to need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so I hope you can easily learn all of the things step by step. And basically, this online training program total 3 hours. So 2 hours I will give you the live training session and 1 hours for your problem solving class. Okay, so I will give you all time some assignment, all homework. So when you face any problem in this homework or assignment, then we also try to discuss about this problem for the 1 hours online training program. Okay, so let's go. So just I am simply share my screen, then try to so I simply share my screen. Yeah, I also recorded class, so you can also get the recorded video class so that you can easily practice using this recorded video class. And you can also get all of the practice code, slide, PDF, all of the things you can get, so that you can also easily practice and work with this. Okay, okay, so let's go. So now can you see my screen? Yeah. So I simply open my slide. Okay. Okay, so hi and welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for beginners to advanced level for remote sensing analysis. And I am course coordinator. So first of all, I will try to discuss about that all of the course module, what you will learn after completing the total 7 days online training program. Okay. So basically, first of all, I will try to discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. Then I also try to discuss about that how you can easily filtering and displaying the data, different types of satellite data like Sentinel data, as well as different types of Landsat, MODIS, how you can easily filtering and displaying the data. I also try to show you that how you can easily importing raster and vector data. So different types of raster data, it can be satellite image, it can be different types of TIP image, different types of vector data, it can be boundary shape file, or different types of vector data, how you can easily importing and work with the Google Earth Engine platform. Then I also try to discuss about the different types of calculating with images. So different types of satellite images, different types of band calculation, how you can easily do, and how you can easily calculate the normalized difference, vegetation index, or NDVI, NDWI, or any types of indices, how you can easily calculate it. I also try to discuss about that. Then I also try to show you that all of the image classification. So how you can easily do for the different types of image classification and make the land use, land cover classification map. Then how you can easily export this type of raster and vector data. So mainly when you want to make the different types of map, we need to exporting this map as a raster data. Okay, and we easily work with the raster data in ArcMap software for creating this map. We also try to show you that how you can easily make the time series data. So time series chart, how you can easily make. Suppose you want to make the NDVI time series chart, NDWI time series chart, or any other indices, how you can easily make the time series chart and observe the temporal changes using this from this time series chart. We also try to discuss about that. Then we also try to discuss about the spectral indices and develop the skill for calculating any index for NDVI, NDWI, NDSI, MNDWI, MSAVI. So all of the index, how you can easily calculating in Google Earth Engine platform using the different types of satellite images. We also try to discuss about that. Then how to remove cloud from the satellite images. We also try to discuss about that. So mainly when you want to work with the rainy season image or wet season image, you can find out some cloud. Okay, and cloud is very hampered when you want to make the land use, land cover classification map. So that's why I also try to show you that how you can easily remove the cloud from your satellite images and you can get the very clear satellite images. We also try to discuss about the digital elevation model data or DEM data. How you can easily using the digital elevation model data, how you can easily make the hill shade map, solve map, and aspect map. We also try to discuss about that how we can easily make the NDVI chart over a period of time for a specific region. Suppose you want to observe what is the NDVI condition for a agriculture field, different time period. We also try to discuss about that in this part. Then we also try to show you the some air quality monitoring part. So mainly in this time, we try to observe the air quality monitoring using the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery, such as nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, then other gases. How you can easily make this air quality monitoring map, and also make the air quality monitoring time series chart. Okay, and how to download the air quality parameters data in CSV file format. Time series data, how you can easily download. We also try to show you this part. How to make land cover classification chart in Google Earth Engine platform, as well as also check the accuracy of this land use land cover classification map. How to calculate the area of classification area, how you can easily calculate. Then all of the things we cover for the land use land cover classification map. How to make the change detection map. We also try to cover all of the things we cover. Then how you can easily make the land surface temperature monitoring. Suppose land surface temperature monitoring using the Google Earth Engine platform. Also, how you can easily make the temporal pattern in LST using the time series chart. How you can easily make the time series chart and check the change, temporal change in this time series LST. From the LST chart, we can easily do it. Okay. So then, how to calculate average, maximum, minimum, NDVI. How you can easily add the legend title on your map. We also try to show you all of the things. And then how to calculate LULC map area in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically, this online training program we take for the 7 days. So each day I will provide you the 2 hours online training program and 1 hours for your problem solving class. So all of time I will provide you all of the assignment homework after completing this class. So you also try to complete this assignment or homework. But when you face any problem or any doubt, then you also try to discuss in our 1 hour problem solving class. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, do you have any experience using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Have any experience?
Yes, I already created my profile.
Yeah. Okay. 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 So you already registered with the Google Earth Engine profile. So okay. Okay. Let's go. So do you have any experience using the programming language such as JavaScript, Python? Any experience? Okay. No problem. Okay. No problem. So basically, in this online training program, I will try to teach you all of the programming language which you want to need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis. So as a beginners who don't have any knowledge about the programming, I hope they can easily learn all of the things after completing this online training program. Okay, so let's go. So today is our first day. So mainly today first day, I will try to discuss about all of the course content such as introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. Then learn the basic principles of JavaScript syntax. So as a beginners who don't have any knowledge about the JavaScript programming, I hope they can easily learn all of the basic things of the programming language, and they can easily apply this knowledge in Google Earth Engine platform for making the remote sensing analysis. I also try to discuss about the client and server object. So it's very important part for the Google Earth Engine platform, client and server object. I will try to show you all of the things practically. I hope you can easily understand. Then how you can get the server to execute your code. I also try to discuss about this. Then importing raster and vector data from the local storage as well as also Google Earth Engine dataset. Then filtering the attribute table, how you can easily do it. Then band combination, we also try to discuss about that. Then import, filter, reduce, clip, and display data in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, introduction to Google Earth Engine. So basically, Google Earth Engine, in this part, I try to discuss about that what is the Google Earth Engine, then what is the application of Google Earth Engine, then what does work, then what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, and how you can start this tool. So first of all, you can see what is GEE. So this is the short form of Google Earth Engine. Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. So it's a cloud-based platform So that's why you don't need to download any types of software. It's a totally cloud-based platform or web-based platform. Okay, so cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. So that's why you don't need to download any types of software such as ArcMap or QGIS or other types of software. This type of software, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any software because it's totally cloud-based platform. And Google Earth Engine platform has a large data set. Okay, we can easily access the different types of remotely sensed data, different types of satellite imagery data from the Google Earth Engine platform. Access over 40 years of satellite imagery we can easily access from the Google Earth Engine platform, such as Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, different types of atmospheric data, temperature data. So different types of data we can easily access from the Google Earth Engine data catalog. And we don't need to download any types of data or any types of satellite imagery. We don't need to download when you use the Google Earth Engine platform. And then you can easily upload your own data set in Google Earth Engine data catalog. Suppose you want to create a data set, any data set, it can be land use, land cover data set, it can be NDVI map, any types of data set, you can easily upload this data set in Google Earth Engine platform. And you can easily apply different types of algorithm to your data. You can easily take the satellite images. In these satellite images, you can easily apply different types of algorithm. And you can easily get the final output, such as the image, table, chart, map output. You can easily get all of the output from the Google Earth Engine platform. You can easily download the different types of NDVI map, NDWI map, land use, land cover classification map, elevation map, different types of satellite images you can easily download from the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, final output you can easily get. So basically, Google Earth Engine platform, it's a cloud-based platform. In this cloud-based platform, we can easily access 40 years of satellite imagery. You can easily upload your own data set in your public data catalog in Google Earth Engine platform. You can easily apply different types of algorithm to your data. And finally, you can export the image, table, chart, map. Okay, you can easily export and work with this. And now, application in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically, Google Earth Engine, there is a lot of application. Okay, any types of remote sensing analysis we can easily do using the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and efficiently. So basically, you can see here I mentioned some application. We are using the Google Earth Engine platform for detecting the deforestation. We can easily use for detecting the deforestation using the Google Earth Engine platform. We can easily do. We can also do for the classifying land cover and land use map using this platform. We can also do for the estimating forest, biomass, and carbon. We can easily do using this platform. We can also do for the mapping the world's roadless areas. We can also do using this platform, as well as assessment of plant health status. We can also do for the air quality monitoring, also water quality monitoring, also flood mapping and damage assessment using this platform. We can also do for the drought monitoring. We can also do for the burn severity mapping, and so on application we can easily do, as well as we can also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. So here I mentioned some application of this platform, but we can do any types of remote sensing analysis using this platform very quickly and efficiently. Okay. So it also focuses the society's biggest challenges, such as deforestation, then drought, then climate change, then disaster, then diseases, then global food security, then sustainability. So in this time, why this is important in Google Earth Engine platform at the present time? So basically, we already know about the different types of remote sensing analysis software, such as ArcMap, QGIS, then ENVI, and other types of software. We already know about this. In this time, when you want to make the big geospatial data analysis, we have to come in Google Earth Engine platform. Because Google Earth Engine platform, it reduces your time to the analysis. We can easily reduce our time to the analysis. So lot of data set or big data set, we can easily handle very quickly and efficiently in this platform. Okay. We can easily access petabytes of data in this platform, and it reduces our time to the analysis. Suppose you want to make the land use land cover classification map for the whole country boundary of Bangladesh. Then first of all, you have to download the satellite images as a tiles for the whole country boundary of Bangladesh. And then you need to work with the ArcMap software. You need to different types of analysis you can do. But when you are using the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to do. Just you can simply write 1 line or 2 line of code. You can easily get the result of the land use land cover classification map of whole country boundary of Bangladesh. So it reduces your time to the analysis, and its computing power is very fast. You can easily access petabytes of data. Okay, and it has some new feature. These features help you to remove the cloud and haze from your satellite images. Suppose when you want to work with the rainy season image, or when you want to work with the wet season image, you can find out some cloud and haze. But in Google Earth Engine platform, we can easily remove all of the cloud and haze from the satellite images and get the very clear condition of the satellite images. And Google Earth Engine platform we are using for a global data analysis. We can get easily all of the data globally. Suppose you can get the data set, you can also compare the data set different types of countries. Suppose you want to compare the data set from the Bangladesh or India, so you can easily get the global data. And it is a collaboration and installation by creating common platform for the global data analysis. We can easily get all of the data set for the globally in this platform. It has also some advantage as also some disadvantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform. First, you can see advantage, but it has a lot of advantage. So when you are using the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of imagery. Suppose you want to work with the Landsat image, you don't need to download the Landsat image because Landsat image is already available in Google Earth Engine data catalog. Okay, you can access to petabytes of data or more on the way, and its computing power is the very fast. So big geospatial data analysis you can easily do using this platform. It has also some disadvantage. Disadvantage is that you need to know some programming knowledge. But in this online training program, I will try to teach you all of the programming language which you want to need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis. And it also depends on your internet connection. Suppose your internet connection is the very good, then you can easily get the result. Okay, and it primarily focused on the raster based imagery. It has some lack of mature and detailed documentation, but in this online training program, I will provide you all of the documentation, all of the material which you want to need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. So I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine platform is a cloud-based platform. It is a web server. Cloud-based means that server-based. So Google Earth Engine has its own server. So when you can write the code in your code editor, this code send a message to the Earth Engine server. In a matter of seconds, this server send you response. Okay, so Google Earth Engine has its own server. This server send you the response. I can simply write the code in JavaScript or Python. This code send a message to the Earth Engine server. So in a matter of seconds, this server send you response. And software type, it's a cloud computing or web processing. So that's why you don't need to download any types of software. It's totally cloud computing or web processing. And this is the main website of earthengine.google.org. And accessibility must be online. When you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, you must be accessibility in your online. And requirement, so you need to register with your Google account. So you already complete your profile in Google Earth Engine platform. So that's why in this time, I simply skip this part. And computer system is the online. Then scope, it mainly work with the image processing and visualization. And it also work with the vector and raster data. Okay. So how you can start this tool? You already complete your registration. So in this time, I simply skip this part. So just it's very easy. Just you can simply fill up this form, all of the things. Then you can get your Gmail. You can check your Gmail. You can get the Gmail from the Google Earth Engine Authority. You can see now you have to access the Earth Engine code editor. Okay. So when you click on the Earth Engine code editor, then you can get a link. Look, this code.earthengine.google.com. You can get the link. So when you can go to
Yeah.
this link, it simply open this Art Engine code editor. So I hope you already get this code editor. Yeah.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, good. So basically, this is our code editor. In this code editor, we can write our code and make the geospatial analysis for remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform. So in this time, here I already registered. I simply go to my code editor and try to show you all of the details about the code editor. So just I simply open a new browser. So I simply open a new browser and simply open this. Just I simply open my code art engine code editor. Okay. Okay. So now you can see this is the art engine code editor. So
Yeah.
in this art engine code editor, we can write our code. We can get the result. So basically, this code editor, we can divide it into the 4 panel. So 4 panel is that you can see it's called the left panel. Left panel. So it's called the left panel. It's called the middle panel. It's called the right panel, and it's called the map interactive view. Okay. So basically, you can see the right panel here. I can get total 3 tabs: inspector tab, console tab, and task tab. So inspector tab. So mainly inspector tab is mainly working for map querying result. Suppose you want to add a map such as NDVI or NDWI, then you want to check what is the NDVI value for this specific map. Then you simply click to here, then you can get the result. Suppose I already work with some NDVI map. I simply try to show you the example how it will be work. Then you can easily understand. Suppose I simply open this code NDVI and click to the run. I also try to show you all of the details step by step. Then you can easily understand. Suppose you can see I simply add a map of NDVI for this place. You can see this map is added in here. So in this time, I can simply check it. Pixel value for the water body. So I simply click on the inspector tab and click on here. You can say I can get the what is the pixel value. I can get the pixel value negative 0.18. Negative 0.18 for this water body. When I click another place, you can see I can get this 0.42. So basically, inspector tab is mainly working for the map querying result for a specific coordinate. Okay, so for the coordinate, what's the value I can get for the NDVI? When I click here, you can see I can get the result for the coordinate. What is the NDVI value I can get? So inspector tab mainly working for map querying result. Such as also you can see build up index. So I simply open the build up index and simply click to the run. So any types of map, when you can add this, you can easily get the result from the inspector tab. Okay, inspector tab is mainly provide you the pixel value for a specific point or a specific location. Suppose in this map I want to check it, so just I simply click on the inspector tab and click on the any place. So I simply click this place. So now I can get, you can see for this place I can get the this place coordinate, longitude and latitude I can get in here. And I also get here the what is the NDVI value, what is the NDVI value, what is the build up index value. I can get all of the things because you can see here I total of 3 layer. Okay, so that's why I can get the total 3 value. So inspector tab is mainly working for map querying result. So when I click here, I can get what is the condition, what is the pixel value for this NDVI and build up index. I can get all of the value, all of the pixel value I can get. So inspector tab is mainly working for map querying result. Then also you can see the console tab. So console tab is I simply open the new code editor. Console tab is mainly working for printing your output. When you want to print anything, it will be showing the result in the console tab. Suppose I simply print, So I simply print. Suppose hello world and click to the run, you can see I can get the result console tab. So when you want to print anything, so it can be chart, it can be different types of time series chart, it can be different types of text, different types of value. When you want to print, we can get the result under the console tab. Okay, console tab is mainly used to print. Okay, it mainly used to print
Only
your
text.
console tab, console.
Only text, yes, only text.
Not text. It also print your chart, time series chart. When you want to make any time series chart, we can also get this in the console tab also. When you want to print any animation, you can also get the animation in this console tab. So mainly it printing anything it can print. It can be chart, it can be animation, it can be different types of images. So anything it can be print. Then also you can see tax tab. So mainly tax tab is working when you want to export or import. Okay, it will be work. Suppose you can see here already export different types of LULC Dhaka city map, different types of file I can export from here. When it will be export, I can get the right sign like this. But when you face any problem, we can get the red alert sign like this. Red alert sign means that your code has some problem. Red alert, it means that your code has some problem. When you can fix the problem, then it will be exported. Okay, so tax tab is mainly working for the export and import. And when I also try to show you that how it will be work when I export import the any file, then you can easily understand about this. So tax tab is managing your tax, long running tax. Okay, also you can see skip tab. Skip tab, so managing your script which you saved in here. So here you can see here I already work with the different types of script, and all of the script I saved here. Okay, so you can see all of this I saved here so that I can easily work with this. Suppose you can see I simply open this script for the VCI. I simply click on here. Now you can see this code is added in here. Okay, so now I can easily modify this code for according to my time period, according to my region of interest. I can easily modify and I can easily get the result. So script tab is managing your script which you saved. Okay, it's managing a script which you saved. So here you can see all of the script I already worked, and I can simply save all of the script under the script tab. And when I need this code for the future time, I can simply open this code in my code editor and work with this. So you can see this is the code for the mainly we can use for the uh, vegetation condition index, temperature condition index, vegetation health index. Okay, so for the Bangladesh, for different time period, I can calculate this. Suppose you can also see you can get the time series data set for the VCI. What is the condition of the VCI? Different time period. We can easily get the time series chart also. You can see. Okay, so basically you can see this code. When I need this code, I can easily work with this code for the other region. I can simply change the ROI. I can easily get the result for the other region. Okay, so mainly skip tab is managing your script which you saved in here. So here you can see the VCI map, then TCI map, VCI map. This is the VCI map. Mainly this identify the vegetation condition index. Also you can see TCI. So this is the temperature condition index. VSI, this is the vegetation health index. So we are calculating all of the things and save the code under the skip tab. So a lot of code we can easily save in here so that we can easily work with this code for the future time for the other region. Okay, also you can see, suppose I can simply open this code for this, suppose animation NDVI. I simply click to here. Now you can see animation NDVI code will be added in here, and click to the run. I can get the result about this code. In this code I already saved in my skip tab, so that's why I can find out this code under the skip tab. I can easily work. You can see it will be generating this animation. Okay, you can see we can get the animation of the NDVI for the Bangladesh between this time period. We can easily get within this time period. We can get the animation of the NDVI, and you can easily also modify this code. You can simply copy the link with other person. Then this person also access this TP image. You can download the TP image from here. You can see save image. You can simply download the TP image and work with this. Okay, you can see that the different way we can easily work. You can see skip tab is mainly managing your script which you saved. You can see I already saved a lot of script in here. Okay, so that I can easily work with this. Then docs tab. So docs tab, mainly docs tab it's provide you the documentation, all of the function. So in this time, you don't need to memorize anything. Suppose as a beginners, you don't know what's the EE list. You don't know. Simply click on the EE list and click on this function. You can see, you can get the mainly this function. What is this? Mainly this function construct a new list. So EE list, this is the function. This function construct a new list. It also provide me the guideline. Also, it provide me the argument. So you don't need to memorize anything. So all of the function, we can easily get their description, as well as we can also get the argument. Okay. So we don't need to memorize anything, because from the docs tab, any function we can easily get their description, as well as we can also get their argument. When you can fulfill their argument, you can get the result. Okay. So when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to memorize anything, because all of the things we can easily get from the docs tab. So any function you don't know what is this function, simply you can see, you can get the notation. We can also get the some guideline for using this function and work with this. So as a beginners who don't have any knowledge about this, I hope you can easily work with this, because you don't need to memorize anything. Any function you don't need to memorize, because all of the guideline, all of the things we can easily get from the docs tab. Also, you can see asset tab. So mainly asset tab is managing your asset which you uploaded. So here you can see, here I already uploaded different types of shape file, different types of CSV file. So here I already uploaded for the different. Okay, so now can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. So now you can see, I can get easily all of the asset. In the asset tab is mainly storing the shape file, then boundary shape file, different types of CSV file data, different types of TIFF image, it stored in here. And we can easily work with this. So how I can import the raster, how I can easily import the shape file, I also try to show you later how you can easily do this. So mainly in this time, you can just remember that asset tab. Asset tab is mainly managing your asset which you uploaded in Google Earth Engine platform. Also, you can see it is the top of the code editor. You can see mainly we can search here the place and data set. Okay, you can simply search any place, as well as you can also search here any data set. You can easily search different types of place. You can easily search here different types of data set in here. Okay, as well as also you can see we are also get them some tool. It's called the hand tool for moving the map. We can easily move the map using the hand tool. We can easily put here the different types of point using the marker tab. This is the marker. We can easily set the different types of point. Also, you can see we can easily draw the different types of line. Okay, also you can see we can easily draw the different types of shape. Okay, also you can see different types of rectangle. So different types of vector format, point, line, polygon. We can easily draw using this tool. Okay, also you can see zoom in and zoom out button. Zoom in and zoom out button. Also you can get the satellite image. Also you can see satellite image. We can get also the satellite image from here. So we can easily understand of this better view, because this is the Google satellite image and this resolution is the very high. We can easily identify anything from the satellite images. Okay, we can also get the satellite view map also. Okay, so basically this is the user interface of this Google Earth Engine code editor. Okay, and in this code editor we can write only for the JavaScript programming language. Okay, it's only supported the JavaScript programming language, as well as also you can see get link button. In this time, suppose this code I want to share with you. So I simply click on the get link button, and you can see it provide me this click to copy link. So simply copy here and send you this link. Then you can also access this code. Okay. So when you want to share any code, you can simply click on the get link button and then simply click to copy link and send me. Suppose when you face any problem, any code, you don't need to copy and send me. Just you can simply click on the get link button and click to the copy link and then simply send me this link, so that I can easily access your code and find out the problem. Okay. As well as also you can see here I imported different types of shape file. Suppose this shape file I want to share with you. This shape file now uploaded in my asset, in my own account. my own Google Earth Engine account I imported in here. But this shapefile I also want to share with you. So you can simply open this and you can see share. Simply click on share and then you can simply put your my email. Which email I used for create the profile using the Google Earth Engine platform. Which email I used. Simply put this email and then simply done. Then I can access your shape file. I can access your asset which you uploaded your own system. Okay. Or if you want, you can simply click on anyone can read, then click on the done. So then anyone can access your shape file which you uploaded in your own system. Okay. So this is the way when you want to share the shape file with other person. Okay. Okay. So let's go. Then also you can save button. So this code I already saved under the animation NDVI. So when I click on here and save with description, you can put the save any name you can put here, file name, and okay. Then it's saved under the skip tab. Under the skip tab, this code is the save. Then you can see run button. So mainly when I can run, now this code will be executed. We can get the result. Then reset button you can see. When I click on the reset, it will be removed all of the things. It will be removed for the clear map. You can see when I click the reset, now this result will be gone. Okay. And apps. So mainly when you want to work with the web application using the Google Earth Engine platform, then these apps will be help. So it manages your apps. So I simply click on the apps. So here I can get all of the apps which I already work. So here you can see I already work different types of web application. I simply click on the view gallery. So here you can see, here I can get the all of the application. This is my link for the Art Engine. So this is my gallery link. So from this link, anyone can get all of the web application which I already work. So here you can see I simply open the some web application. You can see agriculture drought in rainfall and tail in the sink province. Mainly we can use this web application for getting the web drought monitoring. Also you can see Bangladesh drought monitoring, Bangladesh EVI. So I simply open the some app and try to show you this. Also you can chart NDV over time of Bangladesh, LIP area index time series, land use land cover classification map. Also you can see the nightlife map, water class transition of Dhaka city, water quality analysis. Okay, so just I simply open some app and try to show you this how it will be work. So here you can see when I open this app, this is my user interface of this web application. So mainly this web application creating the EVI and NDVI trend inspection chart. It's creating. Suppose I simply click on this any part of the Bangladesh, you can see it will be get the specific coordinate as well as for this coordinate, for this location, what is the trend of the NDVI as well as also EVI. So here you can say I can get the trend is the high trend. You can see when I click on the other parts in other region, you can see I can also get the what is the trend of this NDVI EVI. I can easily identify. You can see the low trend. So you can see this trend line. Okay, we can get the trend line in here. So when I get any vegetation area, you can see I can get this trend line is that high trend line. You can see this is the high. So you can see this is the high trend line. Also you can see the high trend line. Okay. So mainly this application help you to get the what is the condition of Bangladesh, any location. What is the trend of the EVI and NDVI. Also you can see another web application is that. So mainly this application provide you the time series chart. Suppose when I click on here, I can get the lat long, and for this lat long, I can get the time series of the NDVI for the 20 years time series data set I can get. When I click here, I can see I can get the for this location, I can get this time series of the 20 years time series NDVI data. Okay, as well as also you can see the LIP area index. So mainly LIP area index, suppose I want to, you can simply select your region of interest and you can easily work. Suppose I can simply draw the polygon and then I simply draw the shape. Suppose this is my area of interest. I simply select my area and click to here. Now you can see it will provide me the raster image of this LIP area index as well as also calculating the 20 years time series chart for the LIP area index. What is the LIP area index in this region? We can easily get in here. Also, you can see this is the land use land cover classification. So mainly in this time, we can just classify the land use land cover classification map for the whole Bangladesh and identify the different types of feature and make this web application map. As well as see the water quality. So mainly in this time, you can see this is the web application for the water quality. So mainly we are adding here the different types of function and then try to observe the what is the condition of the water quality for any water body. So I simply select my time period. Suppose I just simply select the time period such as, okay, I simply select the random time period look like this, and also select the time period. Suppose, okay, I simply put this time period, okay, and then I simply draw my ROI. So suppose this is my region of interest. I simply draw this ROI, and then I simply select what value I want to calculate. Suppose turbidity, chlorophyll, TSS. I want to calculate the turbidity. So simply click on the turbidity and submit. So now I can check. I can get what is the condition of the turbidity between this time period, and also get the time series chart. Also, you can say I can also get the time series chart. Okay, you can see I can get the time series chart, and I can also get here the legend of the turbidity, and also get the animation. Suppose I want to check here the chlorophyll, then simply select the chlorophyll and then submit. So now I can get what is the chlorophyll condition of this water body. I can get the time series chart, as well as I also get the legend and also get the animation. So this is the totally web application, and this web application I used here the Google Earth Engine platform for JavaScript API. I use here the JavaScript programming and then try to develop this. Also, you can see I simply select the TSS or total suspended solid, and then simply click to the submit. So now I can get what is the condition of the total suspended solid from the water body. I can easily get. It also provide me the time series chart, okay, from the time series chart.
Amazing.
Yeah. So also you can see I can get here this animation. Suppose you also easily download the time series chart from here. Simply click on here. So now I can get the time series chart look like this, and you can easily download the data in Excel file. Simply click to the CSV, download CSV. So now this chart data is downloaded in an Excel file. You can also download the photo of the chart, PNG file format. Simply download. So now it downloaded. So you can see different types of web application we can easily calculate, make using the Google Earth Engine platform, or the different types of data set we can easily calculate it. Different types of algorithm for the remote sensing analysis we can do very quickly and efficiently. We can do. Okay, so this is the web application part. Okay. Okay. So basically, this is the user interface of the Google Earth Engine code editor. So I hope you can easily understand all of the things about all of the script, docs, asset, then inspector console tasks. Okay. Any question in here? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So no problem. I will send you this recorded video class also. So when you face, you can also watch this video and face any question. You can just send me the message. Then I hope I can also get the solution of this question. Then you can easily get this understand. Okay. Okay, so let's go our next slide. So I simply open my next slide.